What's up, creative people? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a bit more intimate as you'll be getting ready with me before I head to a special event. This event is near and dear to my heart as the organization hosting was one of the founding blocks for my art career. If you're new here and this is the first time you're seeing my face, my name is Anika and I'm a multidisciplinary artist. I first came to the US in 2016 from Trinidad and Tobago to continue my education with the wild dream of becoming an internationally renowned artist. Now, I wanted to take this time while I did my makeup to chat with you guys a little bit on the topic of risk and reward. You'll see by the end of this video how one of the biggest risks of my life landed me my first 2 sales as an artist and over $30,000 in just prize money alone. At the beginning of my art career, I noticed that not many people spoke about using fear as fuel, especially when you feel uncertain or insecure about the right path. For me, I felt like I didn't have much of a strong artistic voice or style and would shy away from applying for art shows, particularly juried shows where my work was being judged or ranked. But if I can be honest, it was only when I started using that feeling as fuel and just taking the risk anyway that not only my confidence in my artwork grew, but also my support systems, so my community, the resources that were available to me, and of course, my bank accounts. Unfortunately, topics surrounding thriving and successful artists are not highlighted as much as the stereotype of the starving artist, and I'm here to change that and destroy that myth. One of the most important things that I learned very early on in my art career was that juried shows are an excellent way, if you're starting out as an artist, to get more exposure and also see what other artists are bringing to the table. Whether it's an outdoor festival, a gallery show, or even a virtual exhibit, I encourage you as a creative or an artist to start where you are right now and improve as you go along rather than seeking perfection from the very beginning. Personally, if I didn't take that risk, I would have left a lot of money on the table through meeting potential collectors, gallerists, developing meaningful relationships with other artists, and just having the experience and putting my work out there on a scale that I've never done before. With money being such a taboo topic for the art world and the art industry, I want to stir up more conversation surrounding the importance of juried shows and the importance of artists being rewarded for competitions or having their work seen on a scale and ranked with other artists who are doing professional work or even just starting out as an emerging artist as well. But having a platform where artists can showcase their work and be rewarded with prize money for it, and then have the opportunity for art collectors to collect that work or add that to their permanent collection. Being invited to speak at the kickoff party for Gasparilla Festival of the Arts was such a full circle moment for me. And this was because it was the beginning of my art career where I started putting my work on a different scale outside of the classroom, outside of people who knew me personally, my family, friends, etc. And it really changed my life. So stay tuned for how the night went and to see me shed a tear as I got super emotional reflecting.
Yeah, I will I'll put it under that table with the board there.
Thank you so much.
She was our really special show award last year. And I asked Megan to say a couple of words just about how being a part of Gasparilla has helped her art career. So, Megan.
Thank you, Clay, for that wonderful introduction, and good evening, everyone. It's actually so ironic to be back at the University of Tampa because that was the first place that I found out about Gasparilla Festival of the Arts. Then reality set in that this would be my first time showing my work on a public scale. Outside of the classroom setting, outside of my studio peers, outside of my professors. And again, I was intimidated. But it was a disaster. But GFA, all the volunteers, everyone made sure that they supported me in such an amazing way that I was able to get my tent set up. I had to set it up myself with another friend, and some of the volunteers from GFA also helped. I've never set up a tent in my life before, so just imagine how that process was. But throughout the years as I continued coming back, there were major changes. The pandemic being one of them, and it being a virtual festival rather than. I'm going to keep it short because I want to keep it cute. But you guys have been so amazing, and I can't thank you guys enough. For anyone who is interested in even signing up to be an artist, or anyone interested in signing up to be a volunteer, please do it because it's life-changing for artists, it's life-changing for you, and I'm just so grateful for the opportunity. So thank you guys.
Thank you so much. So, if you didn't tell us any of that was all natural, that was not at all.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this video gave you motivation to take risks as a creative or an artist. Trust me, you never know where you can land, so take the shot regardless of if you land on your face or on your feet. You never know until you make that opportunity yours.